Aya ewe malaka koke, makunza kwa wenswa ane. Nila Myaamia. Myaamia Nipwayona kaninge mekimo ane. Hi, my relatives. My name is Kara Strauss, and I work at the Myaamia Center here at Miami University.
Aya ewe malaka koke, meme shikyo wenswa ane. Nehe napisha nila Myaamia Nipwayona kaninge mekimo ane. Nila Myaamia metosenia. Hello, my relatives. It's good to see you. My name is George Ironstrack, and I also work at the Myaamia Center at Miami University. Kara and I were both lucky enough to work together with the Art Museum staff at Miami University to curate the exhibition Peepankišaapiikahkia Eehkwaatamenki, Myaamia Ribbonwork. Today, we're outside the Art Museum, here with a statue designed by Myaamia artist Eugene Brown. The statue is called A Tribe Named Miami, a Surveyor's Stake, a Town Named Oxford. Eugene first built this sculpture in wood in 2003 for a different exhibition here at the university. And in 2008, it was cast in bronze and installed in Miami University's sculpture park. The statue, Eugene's art, represents the relationship between Miami University and the Miami tribe of Oklahoma. At its base, you can see a turtle, symbolizing land for our community. Etched or carved into the back of that turtle, you can see the seal of Miami University. Running through the center of the sculpture, you can see a white stake, which symbolizes the surveyor's stake, or the process by which a state like Ohio was built upon Myaamia lands, and creating space for a university like Miami to be created here in Oxford. Also within the sculpture, you can see many other Myaamia cultural symbols, like Chechakwa, the sandhill crane, Mangwa, the loon, as well as cattails, and many other really important cultural symbols.
This sculpture represents the relationship between the Miami tribe of Oklahoma and Miami University, and it's one of just several places here at Miami University that celebrate this relationship. And so we like to come here as part of our educational programming. However, there's another reason that we are filming here today. Miami University, including the Art Museum, as well as much of the country, are closed down due to coronavirus. We had no idea when we installed Peepankišaapiikahkia Eehkwaatamenki, the Myaamia Ribbonwork exhibition, that it would be closed down in March and that much of our community would not be able to see it. We were excited to bring so many pieces of Myaamia artwork together to tell this story. And so we are creating a series of videos so that we can do a curator walkthrough of the exhibit and share it with the community, even if just virtually. So we hope that you enjoy these videos and that they inspire you to learn more about Peepankišaapiikahkia Eehkwaatamenki, Myaamia Ribbonwork. Nipwaka ko ayakwa mizako.
Take care, be wise, and keep striving.
Aya ewe malane, newe piayane, Peepankišaapiikahkia Eehkwaatamenki. Hi, my relatives, and thank you for coming to see this exhibit, Peepankišaapiikahkia Eehkwaatamenki, also known as Myaamia Ribbonwork. So this exhibit explores the idea of Myaamia Ribbonwork, which is an art form in which ribbons are cut, folded, sewn down, and then layered in order to create geometric designs. This exhibit is just one outcome of over 25 years of the revitalization of Myaamia Ribbonwork.
Wawa Sanakwake. Shimmering. Skilled Myaamia ribbon workers used various sizes, shapes, and colors of diamonds to produce optical illusions that trick one's eyes into shifting focus between the positive and negative spaces created by the patterns. Practitioners join two shapes together to create a third shape in the negative space.
Tanij apushe mehkamange, Peepankišaapiikahkia Eehkwaatamenki. How was ribbonwork rediscovered? This theme explores how knowledge of ribbonwork was reclaimed and spurred a broader reclamation and revitalization of Myaamia design and aesthetics. Taanije Eehkwaatamenki Peepankišaapiikahkia. How is ribbonwork made? This theme looks at the process by which ribbonwork was made in the past and the various methods and materials Myaamia people use today. Taanije punelindamenki Peepankišaapiikahkia Eehkwaatamenki. How was ribbonwork lost? This theme examines the processes that took ribbonwork out of the Myaamia community and led to a dormancy of the art form. Taanije Eehkwaatamenki Peepankišaapiikahkia. How did families dress them well? This theme focuses on the labor and wealth necessary for families to collectively produce ribbonwork and the symbolic meaning of its public display.
This exhibit would not have been made possible without the generations of Myaamia community members who set us on this path of revitalization. That includes our ancestors who kept these objects so that we could find them once again, as well as those who went into the archives in order to understand how ribbonwork is produced and how it fits into our Myaamia aesthetic, as well as those people who today practice and teach Myaamia ribbonwork so that our community can have access to this art form once again.